Welcome to Engine Explorer. You thought you'd seen it all when it comes to luxury RVs. Think again. What you're looking at isn't just a truck. It's a rolling skyscraper. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome has officially redefined what's possible on the road. And yes, it has an actual elevator inside. Let that sink in. This beast of a machine isn't just about horsepower, though it's packing a monstrous 16-liter engine under the hood that's capable of pulling a literal house. No, this is about luxury on an entirely different level. 2 levels to be exact. Let's start with the exterior. From a distance, it looks like your average long-haul Kenworth, but take a step closer and you realize it's anything but. The stretched chassis, extended frame, panoramic smart glass, chrome-finished bodywork, and a retractable skydeck on top. This thing screams presence. And yes, it rolls on 24 custom-forged wheels. Now step inside. The moment the biometric doors slide open, you're greeted with soft ambient lighting, custom Italian marble flooring, and walls made of carbon fiber and leather. This isn't a cabin. It's a 5-star penthouse on wheels. And here's where it gets wild. Right in the center of the main hall, a glass elevator, yes, a fully functioning elevator that takes you to the 2nd level of the motorhome. Upstairs, you'll find a cinema room with zero-gravity recliners, a built-in 85-inch 8K OLED display, and a Dolby Atmos system that could rival most high-end studios. Next to that, a climate-controlled bedroom suite with a memory foam smart bed, starlight ceiling, and floor-to-ceiling windows, offering panoramic views of wherever you've parked, whether it's the mountains, desert, or coastline. And the bathroom? Rainfall shower, heated floors, smart mirror with AI integration, automatic scent diffuser. It's better than most hotel bathrooms. Back on the lower deck, there's a chef's kitchen with induction cooking, hidden refrigeration, a self-cleaning oven, and even a wine cellar. Yes, a wine cellar in a Kenworth. The cockpit? Straight out of a sci-fi movie. Digital wraparound dashboard, eye-tracking navigation, and autonomous driving capability when you want to relax. And when you're ready to take the wheel, it drives like a dream. But here's the kicker. This Kenworth doesn't just sit still. It transforms. Hydraulic sidewalls expand when parked, turning the RV into a mobile estate with double the interior space. And the rooftop? It opens into a party deck with built-in speakers, solar panels, and a mini jacuzzi. Still not enough. There's a drone garage in the back. Yes, for your personal drone fleet. Surveillance, delivery, or just epic shots for your travel vlog. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 RV isn't a concept. It's real. It's rolling. And it's already making headlines as the most over-the-top luxury RV conversion ever built. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a revolution on wheels. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer.